Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work out exercise 5 star, page 24. Before working this exercise, please like the video, and if you are new, please subscribe the channel as well to do not miss the upcoming video. So let's get started. Question number 1. Solve this for x. We should find the value of x here. First we write 5x equal to 17. We bring 3 to the right side, it becomes positive plus 3. Then 5x equal to 20. 17 plus 3 become 20. Then we divide both sides of the equation by 5. The coefficient of x is 5. Also this side divide by 5. Then we simplify, only remain x equal to 20 divided by 5 gave us 4. This is the answer. 1 times of 5 is 5. 4 times of 5 is 20. So x equal to 4. Question number 2. Here first we divide both sides of the equation by 3. So here we simplify. 1 times of 3 is 3. 9 times of 3 is 27. Remain only 9 equal to 3. We simplify by 3, just only remain x minus 2. Then here we write x equal to 9, and we bring minus 2 to the near of the 9, it becomes positive plus 2. So x is equal to 11. 9 plus 2 become 11. Usually or typically we write the variable or unknown in the left side. Question number 3. As well, first we divide both sides of the equation by 7. Here we directly simplify, just remain only x minus 3 equal to 1 times of 7 is 7, 5 times of 7 is 35 equal to minus 5. There's negative remain, then we keep x to the left side, it's equal to minus 5, and when we carry minus 2 to the right side, become positive plus 3. So x equal to, here we subtract minus 5 and plus 3, bringing only minus 2. This is the answer. Question number 4. First we divide by 12. Here 12 simplified directly by 12 chance, only remain x plus 5 equal to 0 divided by 12 give us 0. Then x equal to 0, we carry this 5 to the right side, become negative minus 5. Question number 5 as well. First we divide by 9 both sides of the equation. Here we simplify, just only remain x plus 4 equal to 0 divided by 9 equal to 0. Then x is equal to, we carry to the right side, this 4 become negative minus 4. Question number 6. Question number 6, first we write like this, 9 plus 4x equal to minus 7. It means we change the place of two sides. There's no change. For example, if you have 4 divided by 2 give us equal to 2, we can write as well 2 is equal to 4 over 2. There is no change. You can change the place of two sides of the equation with no difference. So I just write this for the right side to the left side, the left side to the right side. There is no change. Now we write here 4x equal to minus 7, and we bring 9 to the right side, it becomes negative minus 9. Then here we have 4x equal to minus 9 and minus 7, because both of them are negative, we add together, become minus 16. Then we divide it by 4 both sides of the equation. Here remain only x. 16 divided by 4 gave us 4. Positive, negative divided by positive, this one is positive, gave us negative. So the answer is minus 4. Question number 7. Here we write minus 4x equal to minus 15. We bring this 5 to the right side, become negative minus 5. Then here we have minus 4x equal to minus 15 and minus 5. We add together, become minus 20. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 4. Here simplify, just only remain x equal to negative. We directly simplify with negative. 1 times of 4 is 4, 5 times of 4 is 20. So x equal to 5. And question number 8. Here we have minus 7x equal to minus 6, and we bring this 8 to the right side, become minus 8. Minus 7x equal to, we add this number, minus 6 minus 8 become minus 14. Then we divide both sides of the equation by minus 7. And here we simplify directly, x is equal to negative divided by negative gave us positive. 14 divided by 7 gave us 2. So the answer is x equal to 2. Question number 9. Question number 9. First we divide both sides of the equation by 17. One times of 17 is 17, 2 times of 17 is 30. For here we directly simplify 17 by 17. Actually this one is equal to, here I write 2 minus x equal to 2. Now we write minus x equal to 2. We bring this positive to the right side, plus 2 is become negative minus 2. Then minus x equal to 2 plus 2 becomes 0. We divide it by minus 1. So x equal to 0 divided by 1 equal to 0. 0 divided by any number, the answer is become 0. Question number 10. Here we divide by 13 both sides of the equation. Here we simplify. 1 times of 13 is 13, 3 times of 13 is 39, and here we directly simplify 1 times of 13, and as well here 1 times of 13. Then we write here 3 is equal to 4 minus x. Then we change the place. We bring x to the left side, become positive. X is equal to 4, and we carry the right side. This 3 become negative minus 3. So x equal to 4 minus 3 become 1. X is equal to 1. Question number 11. Here first we multiply 9 multiplied by x become 9x. We write here 9x plus 9 multiplied by 4 become 36 equal to 41. So 9x is equal to 41. We bring 36 to the right side, become negative minus 36. Then 9x is equal to, we subtract here 11, we borrow this one, become 11. 11 minus 6 become 5, and we borrow from this one 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. Then we divide both sides of the equation by 9. So here we simplify. X is equal to 5 over 9. Question number 12. As well, first we divided by 5. Here we first simplify by 5. 1 times of 5 is 5, 1 times of 5 is 5. Just here as well, 1 times of 5 is 5, 6 times of 5 is 30. Then in the left side remain only, I write here 10 minus 3x equal to 6 here. Then we write minus 6 equal to 6. We carry this 10 to the right side, become negative, minus 10. Then minus 3x is equal to, we subtract here 10 minus 10 plus 6, remain only minus 4. Now we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x by minus 3. Here we simplify, just only remain x equal to negative by negative 4 over 3. This is the answer. Question number 13. Question number 13, we divided by 7 both sides of the equation. Here we simplify directly by 7 by 7, just only remain 2 minus 5x equal to 1 times of 7 is 7, 7 times of 7 is 49 equal to 7. Then we write here minus 7x equal to 7. We bring to the right side this 2 become negative, minus 2. Then 5x equal to, subtract here, remain only 5. Then we divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of x. Here we simplify directly, just remain only x. 5 divided by minus 5 become minus 1. This is the answer. And question number 14, the last question. Question number 14, first we divided by 6 both sides of the equation. Directly we simplify by 6, just remain only 4 minus 7x equal to 1 times of 6, and 6 times of 6 is 36. Then we write here minus 7 x equal to 6, and we bring this 4 to the right side, become negative, minus 4. Then here we have minus 7x equal to, we subtract 6 minus 4 become 2, and we divide both sides of the equation by minus 7. Here we simplify, x is equal to 2 divided by minus 7, minus 2 over 7. This is the end of this exercise. This part totally finished, and the next video we are going to work out exercise 6 and exercise 6 star. Thank you for watching. Please like the video.